Hello everyone, welcome back. We're building the SmartCertify app, which is an online course certification platform, and this video is all about the architecture and the overview of the application. So let's take a look at the prerequisites knowledge that you need to know. I expect at least you should know C# programming. Some familiarities between the object-oriented concepts and basic syntax is more than enough. Some basic HTML knowledge, some basics JavaScript understanding, some Bootstrap. Bootstrap is, again, it's not mandatory. We're going to use the existing Bootstrap CSS, and that's it. All the remaining stuff that is mentioned in this video and in this video series starting, every single concepts will be taught in the video series. So don't worry, we'll cover all the advanced and project specific concepts as we progress through each video in the series. So architecture, and this is the high level overview. So I've come up with some understanding of all the components that we will be using, and if you pay attention here, this is the whole a lot of Azure service and other stuff that we're going to use. The one that you see here, the box, that's called Azure environment. So inside Azure environment, all of the Azure related stuffs are there, right? So we have users from outside who will be contacting the web app, which is the UI application, that's in app service, and that will eventually call the outside API through the API gateway in Azure API management. The API management will be hiding our web API endpoints, which means Azure API management will then call or forward the calls that's coming to the app service where we have the .NET Core 9 web API, and we have some app service here. And then what we're going to do is that application, right, the web API will have all of these contacts. So it will be talking to Azure server, the Azure SQL server, it will be having the Redis cache. It has a function in the Azure environment where we will be using different types of functions for different functionalities. We'll have some logic apps, we'll have some storage account where we store some data, certification and other stuff, and UI will also be using the CDN friend door, right? CDN friend is like basically content delivery network, which is also from the Azure, and that will be taking the content from the storage account, all of those CSS, JavaScript and static files. We have Key Vault, we have Azure Monitor, we have Analytics Workspace, we have Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline for the code maintenance, we have Azure Container Registry. We have many things. You can see literally we have using Graph API, .NET Core 9, Angular 9, 19, TypeScript, so many stuff. Manage identity, service principal, system identity, software as a service, and shared access signature. So many things. This is at a high level. Okay, so these are the components. Whatever you see green, they all belong to one category, blue belong to one category, and this red belong to one category. Okay, that's why they are named as this kind of a coloring. If you don't understand this, that's okay. We are gonna take small piece by piece of these services, build it, and then I'll tell you how we will integrate all of these things into one application. There's a lot of components which we will be integrating as we progress, and you will be learning every single thing from the scratch. Alright, so I hope you're excited to learn more on this application. We're going to start building more, and in the next video we'll be talking about how we can use different tools for the data management, which is our SQL server. So don't worry, in the next video we'll be seeing some exciting stuff like SSMS and Azure Data Studios. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Hit that like button also, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!